Now the cheeks, I want to take a pretty good sized ball of yellow, something like that. Then I'm gonna need another one. Let's see if they're about the same. Yep, pretty close. This one might be a tad bit bigger, so let me just take a tiny bit off. Okay, so once I roll that into a ball, I want to place it right here, and then I want to push down all the way around the edge, leaving the center a little bit larger or higher. And then here, push down. So see, this is where we're getting rid of that little line that was there. Turn it so I can get a better angle. You push down a little in the middle. So those are the nice puffy cheeks. And before I go, well, let me do the nose first, and then I'll show you how to fix those cheeks. We're gonna go to orange fondant for the beak. So we'll take a piece, something close to this. So it's about half the size of the yellow, maybe even less than that. Always knead it up by folding it over on itself like that. Ball, finger over half to make more of a teardrop shape, like that. Place this pointed part right in here and press down. This I bend upward a little. Then I use these very, very, very tiny embroidery scissors like this. And I don't cut way up here, I actually cut underneath a little bit. Ow, there we go, just like that. Open that up for the beak. Then you can take the thick end of this tool, which is the veining tool, and press in here and just kind of roll back and forth. Kind of open that mouth, and then I just kind of pinch that a little bit for the nose. Okay, or the beak, nose, beak. All right, now I'll take the small embroidery scissors at this angle, and I'll make small cuts, okay, for the feathers on the cheeks. And see, I'm cutting out to the side. Okay, so you have to turn it all the way around so that you can get that angle. Now I have some fondant built up here on my scissors, so I need to clean that off and then continue. There we go. Now I'm going to go to the eyes, so I just have a little bit of white fondant here. And for these eyes, I'm just going to make 2 small balls. So here's one, and get my other one, so they're close in size. Okay, that one's a tiny bit bigger. I'll put a little bit more on this one. And I'm just going to take that ball, place it right about here, this one right about here, and then I'm just going to flatten that. Most of the time when I do eyes, I actually make them more oval, but this time I wanted them to be more round. Okay, so we're starting with the white. Now I'm going to go to light blue. Okay, and then I'm going to take 2 smaller balls of the blue and place these at the lower portion, and then I'm going to flatten these also. Okay, you don't want them sticking up too much, just like that. And then I need to go to the black fondant. So black, I'm just going to do even smaller ball. Okay, so small ball, turn it so you can see better. Again, right down there at the bottom. Okay, again, make sure that they're flat. And then I need to go back to tiny, tiny, tiny bit of white. It's really important for this piece of white to be really, really small, or it'll look funny. So super tiny ball like that, and then press down. See, because when you press it down, it's a bit bigger, right? That's right. Okay, another ball there. Press down, and voila.